guys, this one is worth 150 per piece for your Christmas tree. Galing Bacolod. See you next year. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm in Glorieta right now for the Halad Festival. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm in Negros Trade Fair right now and I have batuan. Hindi ka daw tunay na Ilonggo kung hindi mo kilala ang batuan. Video ko lang ha. Ano? Ribbon. Okay. So, ito yung finished product ni Kuya. Guys, oh, sa mga hahabol pa, 1.5 and 4 na pera. Wow. Thank you.
A remarkable place to visit sa mga visitors naman abroad, alumni.
Trying this one, but it won't fit me. So see you next year. Very nice. Thank you. So, and the jewelries also, guys. So ito yung made of abaca. So look, oh, made of abaca. So guys, this is made of pineapple. The shoes. Lakat means lakal.
resulted to better well-being of the residents, improvements on agricultural and tourism industries,
This is 1,300 and gawa ito ng mga press. So these are products from Talisay City. Sis, ganun mo nga. Thank you. This is from Kabangkalan. Biyaya. Saan ang pila? Sorry. Only the product lang. Oh, these are more cones from Silay. Zanggit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nachos.
Yung nachos namin,
Made of ano naman ang nachos? Corn. Okay. Ikot lang ako, Nay.
ito, yung salsa namin made of tomato. Fresh tomato.
So this is ginamos, Nay? Ginamos? These are the flavors. Hipon. Guys, ito yung hinahanap kong batuan. Yeah. Pag Bisaya ka, alam mo ang batuan. Finally, nakita ko ang batuan. Hindi ka totoong Bisaya kung hindi mo alam ito. Yes. Thank you. Andito lang po ako sa Glorieta right now for the Negros Festival. Thank you. And there's another one. Yeah, ito lang yung pinunta ko dito, guys. And guys, ayan, punta na kayo dito last day today for the batuan. Yes, last day na lang nila, nanay. A taste of Ilonggo. nice restaurant. Lasagna. This is how much is your batch salted coconut? Here at Maggie's Filipino Place, Bacton Paparam. So magpapainom ka, kuya? Ayan, si kuya magpapainom. Pero tubala. This one is 1,600 made of sugar cane. Namit? Namit gidya. Siya guys. Tataka kayo bakit may ugoy-ugoy. This is ayan, products from Kabangkalan. Products from Kabangkalan. Ayan yung mga napunta dito. Yeah. How much is that one? How much yan? Ah. Thank you. Habol pa kayo dito. Thank you. Yan. Promote your product. See you next year. Yes. Yes. Okay. See you next year. Yeah. So guys, this one is worth 150 per piece for your Christmas tree. Galing Bacolod. See you next year. So ayun guys, nakaikot na ako dito sa Negros Trade Fair dito sa Glorieta. So thank you so much for supporting my channel. This is Melody Valdivino Vlogs.